I'm getting new customers, getting new leads, getting new followers, and getting a larger outreach as well.
Today, I'm with Mitchell from Commergy Blue, which is an e-commerce site. Mitchell, thank you for joining me.
Thank you for your time today.
I'd really love to hear about your company.
And so the Commergy Blue is a e-commerce site which we sell consumer electronics and technology to everyone who is in need. At the end of the day, it's making sure that we're providing you guys with the right products at the right demand for your needs.
And how are you using Pictory in your mission?
Pictory is a fantastic company that I came across of. They're actually making my life a lot easier when it comes to marketing and advertising. I incorporate their platform for multiple of things, not just a Commergy Blue, but for multiple projects, from content creating as well as advertising my products and as well as storytelling.
It's interesting that you mentioned storytelling, because this is a common theme that runs throughout many of our customers. Can you just expand on that a little bit?
Yeah, storytelling is more of a fact of when I'm doing a edit, right? We're telling a story about a product that I currently am selling. It's providing them with an experience I would say, an experience they can relate to. Like when they're watching a movie or watching a trailer, something to get them hooked.
So would you say that that's a differentiator for your company compared to some of the bigger companies such as Amazon, etc.?
I would say it's a great tool, an asset that I'm using that's helping bringing customers to my site and purchasing.
Okay, tell me a little bit more about what you were doing before you used Pictory.
I was doing all sorts of, I was mostly posting pictures and using different websites to edit those products. I wasn't using a lot of videos, or actually no videos at all. And then when Pictory came in, I noticed there was a larger outreach when it came to my Instagram posts and that I was getting without use of Pictory in the past.
So you've seen some real tangible benefits by adding video into the mix.
Yes, I'm getting new customers, getting new leads, getting new followers, and getting a larger outreach as well.
Well, I'm sure many of our viewers would be really interested in learning just a little about your workflow as to how you go about producing these videos with Pictory. Would you mind expanding on that?
Of course. So it's a very simple process, or a very simple system that I do is I plan out a whole month worth of content I'm going to create. And with it comes for different type of content, from single posts, carousel posts, and then also videos or reels. And then for those reels or videos, all I do is I type out a script, right? What am I going to say? What am I going to do? Because what's great about Pictory is actually condenses and summarizes, so you're not verbally spilling and boring people at the end of the day, which I love about Pictory. And I input that into, I guess you would say, it's the script to video function. And then I guess the AI manufactures the script, summarizes the script, make a nice flow to it, edits it, and then brings out the material for me. Then I can edit the templates if I want to, definitely put my brand if I need to, add a voiceover, which I love about Pictory. You can add your own voice, or you can add a voiceover as well. And then I watch the preview, make any edits if I need to, and then download and then post them onto my social media pages.
Yes, the function that you refer to is the script to video function, where you can use AI voices. And in fact, we've just partnered with Elevenlabs, and we have some really hyper-realistic voices on there now, which many of our customers are absolutely loving. Can you tell me, in terms of the assets, do you upload pictures of your products and then augment them with some of our stock videos, or do you just rely upon the stock video that we have within our library?
Great question. So what I actually been realizing, I wanted to incorporate my own pictures into the videos, but then when I realized when it augments it, I believe that's probably not the right term for it, or learns what it needs to do, actually provides great content already. I love it. I love its flow. It's been consistent. I was like, all right, maybe I have to add my own pictures to the videos, but recently, actually all of them, I didn't have to, because they just provided amazing videos, and I'm just very impressed by it. So that's one of the big plus about Pictory that I love. It reduces my workflow, but also optimizes my workflow at the same time.
That's very nice of you to say that. Perhaps you can just share how long it takes to make a video for your site using Pictory.
Okay, so I used to in the past, it would take me, I would actually have to plan out a week in advance to create video content. With Pictory, it's all right. For Commergy Blue, maybe 10 minutes the most of my time.
Wow. So that's quite an amazing saving and increasing productivity, isn't it?
100%.
Mitchell, if you were talking to someone who'd never tried Pictory, what would you say to them?
What I will say to someone, for instance, if it's a friend or whoever, or Pictory is a great software to use for marketing. It helps you with reducing your workflow, optimizes on your time, and if you ever need just more content at the end of the day, Pictory is the company and the software to go to.
More content more often means more leads and more sales. That's what we always say.
Exactly. That's the hook.
Mitchell, you've been an absolute gentleman. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate your time, and I wish you all the success in the world with Commergy Blue.
Thank you. Appreciate your time as well. Take care now.